So in today's class, I'm going to be walking us through on how to create a good and profound flyer right now. So you can also use these methods to generate either a church flyer, a secular event flyer, or any flyer of your choice, right? So it's still the same pattern. So the first thing we are going to do is to write out the information that is contained in the proposed flyer, right? So now I usually make use of my notes, my phone note for the documentation of maybe the details of the flyer I want to make use of. So for example now, you know, okay, let's say I said I want, as a professional graphic designer, generate an outstanding modern flyer designed for a program with the following information: theme, Holy Ghost conversion; sub-theme, His overwhelming presence; right? Host, Miracle Emmanuel; special, that is guest ministers, we have Theophilus Sunday and Lawrence Oyo. And then we have the date, 1st April 2027. Venue, MKO Abiola National Stadium, Abuja. So now what I want us to do at this point, I want us to be conscious of the keywords in this prompt. This is called a prompt, right? So now I said, as a professional, I want the AI to assume a position of a professional. And the purpose of me using this word professional is because I want the best, right? So when you tell an AI to assume a position of a professional, you will help him to think as the best, someone that has gained mastery in that field. So now, the second thing I want us to take note of is the aspect I said outstanding. Outstanding means it's talking about quality, right? Just as if me saying I want the best quality. And secondly, I said modern, something that is currently happening, not an old-fashioned kind of flyer. I want something that is still current, you understand, kind of flyer. So now I gave the following information. So what we are going to do at this point is to copy out our prompt, right? So the moment we've copied the prompt, then we head on to our ChatGPT. The AI I want us to use at this point is ChatGPT. So if you don't have the app, you can do well to download the app on your Google Play Store. So this is the icon here. Then we'll click on it, right? So now another thing we have to do, we must have like the guest minister, the host, we make sure that their pictures, their images are on our phone already, right? Then we'll click on this plus icon here to upload their image. So for example, okay, yes, their image, will upload their image. So now let's click on this for the host, click on this for the guest, click on this for the guest. So we have 3 images, right? So we click on add. So while the images are uploading, we paste our prompt right away. So now see what our prompt is here. But then we are not done with the prompting. We just tell that ChatGPT, because we are talking to an AI, right? So we just tell the AI the first frame is the image of the host. Okay, now comma, the second frame is the image of the guest minister. Let's say minister, then probably in bracket Theophilus Sunday, then close the bracket. And the third frame, right, is the second guest minister, right? Open bracket, Lawrence Oyo, Lawrence Oyo, then close the bracket. So to further align the AI in positioning the picture, so you can say let the hosts be at the middle. Okay, so I think with this we are good to go, right? We just click continue. So our prompt is set, everything is set, so we just click send now, and then we await the result of what we've sent already. Okay, so this is the resultant of what we got now. So this is the flyer. We can see the beauty of the flyer, right? So this really came out well. It came out well. So probably maybe if there is something we don't like, we can still tell the ChatGPT to edit them out. So I think with this, if you want to save it, when you click on the flyer, you can click on this icon above. Then you are good to go. You are good to go. Alright, so in the next tutorial, I'll be showing us other ways in which we can design a flyer.